Hello and welcome to another video tutorial of WordPress. In this video, we are going to learn how can we add text marquee or text scroll effect in our WordPress website. Let's get started. First, we need plugin. Click on plugin, then add new plugin and search for Elementor here. Elementor. Okay. Here it is. Click on install now. Okay, so Elementor installed, then click on activate. Now we need another plugin called MarqueeAddons. Click on again add plugin and search for MarqueeAddons. Here it is. Just click on install now. Okay, then click on activate. So we are done with installing plugins. So we need only these two plugins, Elementor and MarqueeAddons. Then click on pages and add new page here. Let's name it text marquee and click on edit with Elementor here. Okay, so right now I'm in Elementor editor and search for here text marquee. Here it is. Drag the marquee widget here. Here we can see that running marquee or scrollable marquee. We can add more field. So let's name it title 1, title 2, 3. So we can add also icons, make it check, also make it okay. We can make it vertical also to click on this vertical icon. So if we turn on this show vertical, it will vertically scroll, and we can change the flow of this marquee like this, show reverse, and like this. So when we add vertical marquee, we can increase and decrease its height like this, and we can set its alignment like this. And also from here, pause on hover. Right now when I hover on this marquee body, it's paused, but when I turn off this switch, it won't affect on hover. And if we click on shadow, it's show a shadow for this widget like this. And we can also add animations. We can increase or decrease animation speed. So 100, so it's running now a little bit faster than previous speed. So we can add max 1000. So let's make it 50. And here in style tab, we can add icon colors. For an example, I want to make this color icons red, so it's red, or violet. Okay, purple, I think, this color. and we can increase icon size like this. And there is also space. We can add space between icon and title, and there is also content spacing. And there is also another feature here, text. We can increase typography size. Mm. And we can add also color for this box shadow here. Blur. Okay, then spear, we can add spear here and change this to violet like this. So this is all. This is how we can uh, add text marquee in our WordPress website, or a text scroll effect in our WordPress website. Thanks for watching this video.